In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down lists in Google Sheets. A drop-down list is a simple way to keep your data clean and consistent by letting people choose from predefined options instead of typing free text. It's perfect for things like status fields, categories, or yes/no choices. Start by heading to Google's homepage in your web browser. At the top right, you'll see a small grid icon, often called the Google Apps menu. Click that to open the app launcher, then choose Sheets. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your files. Once Google Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to work in. If you already have a file ready, open it. Otherwise, you can create a new one and come back to these steps. Inside your sheet, make sure you know which cell or area you want the dropdown to live in, so it's easy to apply the settings exactly where you need them. Next, look at the menu bar at the top of the screen and click Data. From that menu, choose Data Validation. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen where you'll set up the rule that powers your dropdown. Think of this panel as the control center for what's allowed to be entered into your selected cells. In the Data Validation panel, click Add Rule. If you've set up rules before, you might see them listed here. Adding a rule lets you define a new set of conditions for your dropdown. Under Criteria in the rule settings, select Dropdown. This tells Sheets you want a list of choices that users can pick from, instead of allowing any typed value. It's a quick and reliable way to standardize entries. Now, enter your list items. Type Option 1 and Option 2 as your choices. You can rename these to match your exact needs, like Draft and Final, or Yes and No. These entries become the selectable items in your list, ensuring everyone uses the same values. If you ever need to adjust them later, you can come back to this panel and edit the items without changing your data structure. When you're happy with the options, click Done. Your dropdown is now set. In the cell you targeted, you'll see a small arrow that reveals the list when selected, making it easy for anyone using the sheet to choose a valid value. If you want to tweak or remove the dropdown later, return to Data, open Data Validation, and update or delete the rule. That's all there is to it, and it's a great way to reduce errors and keep your spreadsheets tidy.